Alright, so here's what we're going to cover today. Why your roofing ads aren't converting, and how to reduce your cost without losing leads, the pro tips that will help you maximize your budget, and at the end, I'll even give you guys a bonus tip on how to spy on your competitor ads. Let's kick things off with one of the biggest questions I get from roofers running Facebook ads. Why aren't my ads converting? That's what I get asked most of the time. So you're spending money, you're getting clicks, but the leads aren't coming in, or even worse, they're low quality leads who don't even need a roof. Now, there are three, I would say, there are three main reasons why this happens. Let's break them down. Maybe your targeting is off, so or maybe your offer doesn't resonate, or maybe it is the ad copy. Most of the time it's probably the offer, but let's just start off with the targeting. One of the most common issues is targeting. Look, I don't know what you guys are doing at this point, like whether you're targeting based off of on Facebook there is no option to target like a homeowner directly. So the people are targeting like people who are interested in like backyards, or people who are interested in roofing or roof replacements or some kind of interest like those, to make sure that these people are homeowners. If you ask me how I do my targeting, I don't. Okay, I keep my age range open. It's like 18 to 65 all the way, like the default. The interest, nothing over there, it's completely broad. I target the entire area, that's it. I let my ad copy do the targeting for me. So if you can write a good advertisement, Facebook is going to show it to a bunch of people and see like out of those people, which one of them is responding the most or reacting the most, and according to that, it's gonna try and find more people like that. So this process, like people ask me, won't this burn through your budget? So it won't. Facebook is smart, and they are able to find your like ideal audiences just by spending a few bucks on it. That's it. All right, so that's pretty much it for targeting. Let's talk about the offer. So if your offer doesn't resonate, this is another big one. Okay, this is probably the biggest one, the biggest issue. You've got to have an offer that speaks directly to your audience's pain points. I see roofers advertising generic free estimates. Guys, everyone's doing that. Think about what will make someone choose you over your competitors. Now, offer a roof inspection with drone footage, or a free detailed report that shows homeowners the condition of their roof. I mean, that's something smart, right? The drone thing is new, so you can do that. You just need to stand out to like get those leads to start to come in. So you need to find out that offer. And plus, I'm like at the end, I'm going to give you a bonus tip about how to spy on your competitor ads, and from there, like you can also figure out your offer. If you talk about the ad copy, like if your ad copy isn't engaging enough, if your copy doesn't grab attention within the first 2 seconds, let me tell you that your potential customers are gone. Roofing isn't something people are constantly thinking about. Okay, so you've got to make them pay attention. Try something like, is your roof secretly leaking? Get a free inspection today. Is your roof secretly leaking? That is what will get them. Get a free inspection today. That is something like everyone else is advertising. So that's a lot more compelling than free roof estimates. So fixing these issues, to fix these problems, start by refining your targeting, narrow down on your audience to people who need your services, and then rethink your offer and make it stand out. Lastly, work on that copy, grab their attention, and speak to their needs. Combine all three, and I promise you, you will see the difference in your conversions. All right, now that we've talked about conversions, let's dive into something every roofer wants to know. How do you lower your ad costs without losing leads? The short answer, it's all about optimization. So you need to test different offers, headlines, ad copies, images, videos. That's how it works. Facebook ads works the best when you're constantly testing different headlines, again, images, even call to actions. Okay, so Facebook rewards ads that perform well, meaning your cost per click will go down if more people engage with your advertisement, or like it resonates with them. So the key is to find the best performing version of your ad by running multiple versions at the same time. So it's kind of like having a good relevancy score. It's basically how well your ad is resonating with your audience. Like ads with higher relevance scores get shown more often. Okay, So if you focus on the relevance, so relevance is basically how well your ad is resonating with your targeted audience. Ads with higher relevancy scores get shown more often and at a lower cost. So if your ad isn't performing well, tweak it. It could be the image, it could be the copy, or even your targeting. That's throwing your relevancy score off. So try fixing those things and you should be able to see the difference. Now, there's one more thing, and that is retargeting. One of the most common effective ways to get more roofing leads is retargeting. If someone clicked on your advertisement but did not convert, hit them again with a follow-up ad. Maybe they weren't ready at the time, but seeing your ad again could push them over the edge. You can use Facebook's like tracking pixel to track those who visited your website or perform some kind of an action on your website and retarget them later. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Or you can also keep a frequency cap. Here's a tip, to avoid burning out your budget, set a frequency cap on your ads. If people see your ad too many times, they'll get ad fatigue and you'll instantly start to pay more for diminishing return. Keep that ad fresh and don't bombard the same audience over and over. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so if we talk about a few pro tips that I use to squeeze every last drop of value out of your budget, these are the strategies that most roofers miss that I've seen. So use high quality creatives. Your ad creative, the image or videos you use are the first thing people will notice. If your images are low quality or your video is shaky, you're throwing money away. Hire a professional or use a high quality drone to showcase your work. You can do that, of course. Roofers with clear professional images always convert better. Even if whether it be plain images, sometimes they tend to work out a lot better compared to shaky or videos, even videos where you're talking about your product or service. Other than that, you can also take advantage of uploading a CSV file. By that I mean name, email, phone number, all of those addresses. You can upload them and retarget those people, or maybe use Facebook's lookalike audiences. But the best approach so far that I've used, going broad, coming up with fresh creatives. That's what I do. And if you're doing landing pages, thing that most people miss is that they optimize for desktop and not for mobile. So don't forget that most people are scrolling on Facebook on their phone. So if your landing page or ad isn't optimized for mobile, more than 80 to 90% people are going to be seeing that landing page on mobile. So you're going to lose a lot of leads. Make sure your website loads fast and it's easy to navigate on mobile devices. So yeah, that's going to be my pro tip. Okay, so let's have a little fun and let me just talk about spying on your competitors. Okay, so spying on your competitors, Facebook ad has this incredible feature called the Facebook ads library, completely free, and shows you every ad your competitors are running. Okay, trust me, you can just Google it right now, Facebook ads library, and you should be able to see there's an option on the left hand side to select the country. You can select US over there, and on the right there's an option you can select all ads, and in the search bar you can type in something like a keyword like roofing or roof, free roofing codes, or anything relevant to your industry, and you should be able to see your competitor ads. You cannot target via region or state. You can only target the entire country. That's the thing. So how to use it? All you need to do is go to the Facebook ads library, do the thing that I told you. This is invaluable because it lets you see what's working out for your competitors. Are they using videos? Are they using images? What kind of offers they're doing? What kind of call to actions they're doing? Are they offering any kind of special discounts? Use this to get ideas for your own ads, but don't just copy. I'm not saying that you should just copy them. Get ideas for your own ads. Use it as an inspiration to create something even better. So here's the kicker. Don't just look at one or two competitors. Check out the big players in your industry. And yeah, if you can, the big players, you can just copy the URL, the Facebook username, and put it over there. And if they're running Facebook ads, they're going to show over there. Players in your industry, and even in other states or countries. You can also see ads, what kind of ads are working in the UK or Canada. You can learn a lot from what they're doing, and it might spark some ideas you haven't thought of yet. Alright, so let's wrap this up, and I hope that you found these tips to be valuable and, more importantly, actionable. You need to take action. There's no point of learning all of this information or these pro tips if you don't take any kind of action. So take action. If you want to start off with your first campaign, do the masterclass. It's completely free of charge. Just go to my profile. Like I said, there must be an option, the call to action, and on my Instagram there's just in the bio, and on LinkedIn you should be able to find it in the featured tab. So you should be able to find it over there, and you can download the Facebook ads playbook specifically made for roofers. Like it has offers in the roofing industry, the solar industry, and HVAC as well. You should be able to find find that helpful for you. And just below that you would find the masterclass. So if you want to get your ads up and running in less than 48 hours, that's the thing you should do. So that is called taking action. See the masterclass. I don't think it's too long. I think it was like less than 20 or 30 minutes. Just have a look at it, get your first Facebook ad campaign live, and yeah, reach out to me if you want any consultations, or you want me to run the ads for you, or you just need me to have a look at your ad campaign. Whatever works for you, I would definitely help you out with this. All right, so thank you very much for joining me in the session today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.